Now the question number 2 of exercise 2.2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? In question number 2, we have to find the length and breadth of the pool, and the pool is in a rectangular shape, and perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is given, which is 154 meter. One condition is also given, that length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. More means extra, twice means 2 times. In the first question of the exercise 2.2, I explained you 2 more means we have to add 2 in the twice of its breadth. Twice means 2 times. 2 times means we have to multiply 2 in its breadth. Okay, 2 into breadth plus 2. It's the length of the swimming pool, and perimeter is given, which is 154 meter. We have to find length and the breadth, both dimensions of the rectangular swimming pool. Let's see the solution of question number 2. Okay, here first we let the breadth of rectangular swimming pool. Breadth equal x मीटर. हम लेंथ भी लेट कर सकते, बट लेंथ क्यों नहीं लेट कर रहे? बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन लेंथ इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन ब्रेथ. कैसे डिपेंड कर रही है? इट इज गिवन लेंथ इज 2 मीटर मोर देन ट्वाइस इट्स ब्रेथ. मीन्स वी हैव मोर मीन्स वी हैव टू ऐड 2 टू द ट्वाइस ऑफ इट्स ब्रेथ. तो हमको पहले ब्रेथ पता होना चाहिए, तभी तो हम ब्रेथ में कुछ ऐड करेंगे. अगर ब्रेथ नहीं पता है तो हम फिर कैसा ऐड करेंगे? सो सेटिस्फाइंग द कंडीशंस ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, दैट्स व्हाई फर्स्ट वी आर लेटिंग द ब्रेथ x मीटर. मीटर बिकॉज पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर swimming pool is 154 meter. That's why breadth is x meter. Then length is 2 meter more. 2 meter more means plus 2. For more we are using the sign of plus 2. More than twice its breadth. Twice means 2 times. 2 times means we have to multiply 2 into its breadth, and breadth is x. So 2 into x is 2x. So the length of the pool is 2x plus 2 meter. There are 2 terms, that's why we are using brackets. Now it is given perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Is 2 length plus breadth. Okay, this is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. But perimeter of rectangle is 154 meter. Okay, what is given? Given perimeter of rectangular swimming, I forgot to write here, but please write here, swimming pool is 154 meter, and perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 length plus breadth, and perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is given, which is 154 meter. So we will write here 154 equal to length is 2x plus 2. Now put the values of length and breadth here. So length is 2x plus 2. So 2x plus 2, then small bracket plus breadth, and breadth is x. So 154 equal to, first we will open the small bracket 2x plus 2. So 2x plus 2 plus x equal to 2x and x, both are the like terms because same variable and powers are also equal. So 2x plus x, 3x. We are adding the coefficients. Coefficient of x is 2 here, and coefficient of x is 1 here. So 2x plus x, 3x plus 2, 154. Now we will transfer 2. बिकॉज 2 इज इन द प्रोडक्ट विथ द होल ब्रैकेट, पूरे ब्रैकेट के साथ 2 प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म है, तो ट्रांसफर क्या हो जाएगा अपॉन 2, 154 अपॉन 2 इक्वल 3x प्लस 2, 154 अपॉन 2 is, now cancel, divide 154 by 2 will get 77 equals 3x plus 2. Okay, 77 equal 3x plus 2. Here we have to find the value of x. So first we will transfer plus 2 to LHS side. So plus 2 becomes minus 2. So 77 minus 2 equal 3x. 77 minus 2, 75 equal 3x. Now we will transfer 3 to left hand side. 3 is in the product form with the variable x. So the transformation of 3 is division. So 75 upon 3 equal x. We can also, here we divide 75 by 3. So after dividing we will get 25 equal x. Or we can also write x equal 25. Okay, x equal 25. So the value of x is 25, and the x here in starting will at width. So the width of that rectangular pool is 25 meter. Now we'll find the length. Therefore length is 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. So in place of x we will put the value of x, which is 25. So 2 into 25 plus 2. 2 into 25, 50 plus 2, 52 meter. Okay, so the required length of the given rectangular pool is 52 meter. Now, and breadth x is 25 meter. Okay, breadth x is 25 meter. That's it. So the length of the pool is 52 meter and breadth is 25 meter. Okay, for more we are using plus, and twice means 2 times. Thrice means 3 times. Okay. Hope you understand it well. Okay.